So that here is for 15 seconds. Trying something new today. And I am going, can I get this one too? Just randomly put it in. Tap it up and go into blue. To 15 seconds. Doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be perfect. I just want a little bit backgrounds on it. Okay, good. This one away, and this one away. And I'm using my unicorn to just dust off. And you don't have to be perfect, absolutely not necessary. And then I'm gonna using this. So this gel painting, I did use crimson red and magenta's blue, and I just mix it with a little bit of the white to make like the color a little bit lighter. So let me show you quick for a lot of you using it. On the other day's video of Sarah was sharing is really great as well, is great tip and trick. Where is my, okay, my styling tool. So for instance, I mixed it already, but if you can add a little bit the white, if you want, say, if you want your red to be a little bit more like a red, not too deep red, you can do a little bit brighter red. You can mix it just a little bit of pigments with the white, and it's just, you know, it soften the colors. So same thing with the blue as well, and I mix it already. Like say, if I take some white and pick some white on this side and add just a little bit of blue, and you can see that it's gonna make the blue it's just lighter. You see what I mean? Like instead of just dark blue. So but I mix it a little bit, so then it make it the color is a little bit brighter. So I am going to play with the fireworks that I playing it a little bit earlier. So if for a lot of you is not sure, even this one you can draw with a lot of different fireworks. So you can either get like You can do it like this to make it easy for you, like give it some dot. You don't have to, but you're not sure, then this will give you some guideline. Much easier. You feel like to make it look so nice on your fireworks. I'm gonna get a piece of paper. Thank you. And I'm gonna do the same thing. Clean my brush. You can do the same thing with the blue, but we're gonna do the red first. And then we're gonna do the blue in just shortly. So I am saturating my brush with the gel painting. So you're gonna give a little bit pressure and you're gonna release it. So hold it and you're gonna release it. Same thing with this. Okay, so hold on. So I will show you, make sure that I can show you easier. Same thing, and you can do the same and it's repeat it. Can you make it move closer here? Is that closer? And make sure you're doing it like from outside in instead of inside out. Now if you want the blue, I'm gonna flash gear this quick because I'm gonna add the blues on it. Just 10 seconds. I am going to loading my brush with the blue. And then let's go in. You can do it longer for the fireworks. It looks super cute. So you hold, like give it a pressure. It's hard to explain, but then it's really simple though. You hold it and then you just release it. So then it gives it like nice soft stroke. And you're gonna repeat it the same thing with the other parts. All right. I'm gonna put crystal right in the middle of this. I'm showing step by step, so a little bit take time, flash gear for 10 seconds. But if I'm doing it, I would do like all parts of the of the red first, and then move on to the blue. So between different colors, I am clean my brush. If you're seeing it, I clean it just with the top coat and just dissolving all the color residues there. And then you can go into the next one. You can do another one here, another one here. So again, I'm gonna repeat this. And again, you can do like 1, 2, 3, 4. You see that? And like that is gonna give you like so much easier to imagine that too. I'm gonna go into this one right in the center. 1, 2. This is like really easy if you feel like it's hard for you to remember where you're gonna draw your. So if you just give you a guidance of this 1, 2, sorry. Lots of firework. There you go. So now we're gonna go in with our red. You're gonna press, hold this, and wherever you want to do, and then release it. I just want just a little bit on the background. We did it earlier with the chrome. I just want just a little bit of something in the background. This one. There you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and do with the next one too. This one we're doing a little bit smaller because getting closer to the end of the nails, there's less space for us to work. Also, we want like, it looks like, so we're gonna do like smaller stroke. If you're using the same like technique like this, you can draw like daisies, flowers, really simple as well. We're gonna do that in like after July 4. Together. I'm gonna finish the last one right there. I'm gonna flash cue quick for 10 seconds.